Hello, happy Wednesday. Well, friends, today we're styling two spaces, keeping it simple yet festive for spring and Easter. So if that sounds like fun, join me. Okay, so what we're gonna do is style this little area you see behind me, and then we're gonna head upstairs where on Tuesday I filmed the little wall ledge as you go up the stairs, and I wanted to make it fun. So whether you're coming down to the basement or heading back up, you have something festive to look at that says Easter's coming. Okay, so we're starting here and let's talk about it. You see these wall shutters that I hung on the wall? I did that for one main reason. This is a large wall space. I didn't have any artwork that I was feeling, and I didn't know what to put there. And these, let's just face it, they fill the space. It kind of makes the space feel a little bit warm, a little bit more cozy and put together. So if you've missed any of those videos, these are actually room dividers that I got on Wayfair. You get 4 of them, and all I did was take the hinges off. They're super, super, super lightweight, and I made wall sconces out of them. We do a lot of movie watching down here because we have a huge TV, and at night, I like to put the ambiance on. These suited the purpose for the time being. However, the other day I came across Maria's channel, and her channel's name is The Gathered Home with Maria. And anyway, she was decorating her dining room for spring and Easter, and she had these mirrors that were leaning against the wall, and I'm like, I love those. I love those. I didn't know where she got them, and then she did another video where she said, I got them at Walmart. And I made a beeline for Walmart, let's just say that. And I'm not sure if they're the exact mirrors, but I could not believe my eyes when I saw the price. First of all, these mirrors that I ordered from Walmart, they're 65 inches in length. So they're a good size mirror. And I really want to replace these room dividers, not because I don't like them, but because this section of the basement doesn't have windows over here. So we're going solely off the sliding window across the way. And I feel like if I put those mirrors on the wall, and I purchased 4 of them, it's gonna reflect the light over there, and it's really gonna brighten this space up. So those are arriving Friday, and I cannot wait. And I'm going to be hanging them all on the wall. First of all, I didn't go into Walmart, I went online. It was funny because on their website, they had the same mirror priced a heck of a lot more. But when I scrolled down, I went, no, what? This can't be, you guys. They were $35 and change. So I literally purchased 4, and like I said, they're coming Friday. So if you like these, snatch them. I have the squared version upstairs. They're much smaller, but they're hanging in my master bedroom. If I think it's the same mirror, they're very lightweight. They're not heavy mirrors. So you're getting the look for less. And I mean, for $35 for a 65 inch, score. Anyway, so what I'm trying to say is this whole look is going to change probably next week, but this middle section will probably stay the same. So without further ado, let's bring a little springy touch over here. Okay, so right here we have a little sitting area, which I love. And then, like I said, these are room dividers that I split up and just hung on the wall. Then I added these inexpensive wall sconces. All of this is from Amazon, except I don't know that any of this is still available. Now, because we did this vignette last week and we added lavender, we're going to come back over here and add the same wreath, just to keep it cohesive. I got this at the at-home store last year. So next, I have this basket, and then I have a whole bunch of lavender. And I'm gonna place it in the basket for a fun spring look. Okay, I got this bunny, I believe it was last year or the year before last, from Ross for $29.99. And I loved the basket. And I just tied a ribbon around it, but I might change that out, I'm not sure. But he's just gonna sit on this table because he's so darn cute. Okay, I'm going to go run in my storage room and get some different ribbons, see if I like it better. Be right back. So I do like that ribbon, but I do have this ribbon. And I guess it's just the difference between do I want a more slender, long ribbon, or do I want a chunkier ribbon? And this is what the ribbon looks like. So my colors. And now I have a bunch of tulips and I'm gonna stick those in his basket. And I'm gonna put this in as filler. I just need to add a pop of black over here to kind of tie in with all the pops of black I'm putting in other areas of the basement. So I have a lantern that I got from Ross and a hurricane candle holder that I'm putting in the lantern. So I'm going to set that in the center. Okay, well, I think that turned out really cute. Like I said, simple but festive for the season. And done. Okay, now we're gonna go head upstairs on the landing where the ledge is and a window. And we're gonna bring a cute, simple Easter touch up there. The next clips I filmed without me being in it because there was no place to plug in my light ring up there and it was just really tight. So I just kept myself out of it. Okay, well, here is the basement door and we are gonna work down there on the ledge and we're gonna be decorating this wall piece and the one over there. Okay, my light ring is downstairs, plus it's like tight quarters right there, so we're gonna roll without it today. But I have 2 spring wreaths. I need to take that one out and fluff it. I have some scissors and 2 zip ties. So right here we have tall ceilings, and then this goes down to the basement. And we have this cute wall shelf. What to do. So eventually I'm gonna have a window shade that drops down, a woven one, but for now I kind of like it light and bright, but I wanna make this festive for Easter. So here is that beautiful spring wreath. It has little butterflies on it. And I don't know, I really wanted a pop of color in here. So I've got a zip tie. I'm gonna zip tie this over there to start. And you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just slipping the zip tie right through the grapevine, and then that will allow me to secure it right there. And you can see right here how I'm securing it. Here's the zip tie, and I'm just gonna zip it on there. And just so you guys know, I got these mirrors on Wayfair years ago. And what happened was this one came broken. And so Wayfair sent me another one. So I actually have 3 of these. And they said, just go ahead and keep that. I sent them a picture. I showed the damage, the box damage, and I thought to myself, well, I could use that. So because the glass was all broken up into pieces, I just made it an architectural piece. Then over here, you can see this is how it was supposed to come, which is a mirror. So it's kind of cool that I have one that is different from the other. And so now I have this wreath and my scissors and my tie strap, and I'm gonna hang that on the mirror. So then when I come up the stairs, that's what I see as I round the corner. Okay, now I have this big bunny. I got him last year. No clue where. The sticker's not on. But I like how the gold is playing off the yellow tones in the wreath. And I love how the green pops, and I like the warmth of the wood on these pieces. So I'm gonna set the bunny right here. Have this garland from Amazon, and I thought I would sort of string it through that and then run it over. It's not going to go all the way down, but at least it will add a little bit of a festive touch and a pop of green with little white flowers. If this garland had been longer, I would have used it. Just looks silly having that exposed and that exposed. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, so right here we have this hurricane vase, and I was thinking what to do. I don't have a super tall candle to put in there, and I thought we need a little splash of color, and I thought, ooh, sage green. So I ran in the kitchen and I grabbed the split piece for my DIY project. So I'm gonna cut this open and spill them into the hurricane candle holder. I think I want another bag. Just grabbed another bag. We're gonna pour those in. It will give my candle a bit of a boost. And now I have this candle, and I'm gonna nestle it in here. See, isn't that pretty? It gives it a bit of texture and it just adds a little something something. Now, right here in this window, I just want to add a little bit of texture. I have this plant and I'm just going to sit it in the window and kind of spread the stems out. And now I have two of these. I can't remember where I got them, but they're from last year. And I'm gonna set these up in the windowsill. So I do have yellow in the wreath, and I thought, what if I add a pop of yellow to this? Well, that will wrap up my video for today. I thank you so much for joining me. I want to remind you guys that today is the start of Amazon's spring deals, and my goodness, are there some sales to be had. Looking for women's tops and blouses and tank tops and cardigans. Now is the time to amp up your spring wardrobe, because I have never seen the prices this low in all my years of being an Amazon associate. I've never seen blouses and shirts and cardigans and tank tops this inexpensive. Many of them are well over 50% off. A lot of them are even under $10, under $14, which is like mind-blowing to me. So down below, pin a comment and I will have, of course, my Amazon storefront, but I did today focus on women's tops because they're going fast and I wanted you guys to check them out. And if you can, you could save money, you know? And if you use my link, it greatly helps me out, you guys. So no pressure ever, ever, ever. But if you're out shopping and say you're buying groceries or paper towel or whatever, just if you click on my store and go do your shopping elsewhere, I'm telling you, it helps me tremendously. And if you wouldn't mind giving me a big thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. I would love to see you in the comments. And if you don't want to leave a comment, just a simple little emoji really helps me out. So with that said, I will see you guys back here Friday for more decorating, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Mwah. Bye guys.